What's up, everybody? This is the last promo before the drop of It's a Privilege podcast, where we explore all the possibilities of our privilege. Mark it on your calendar, August 9th, 2024. That's when the first episode drops, and we're going to be releasing these weekly for about 15 plus episodes. Not sure how many we're going to have total, but we're going to have at least 15. Every single Friday, it's dropping. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to all the beautiful things that are there. Here's the thing. This whole podcast, what is it about? If you haven't already known, it's based upon my TEDx talk that I gave back in March 2024 called The Possibilities of Privilege, where that explores different ways that we can think about our privilege. Here's a quick clip.
You might have more privilege than me, and that's okay. In fact, I think that might be a good thing. There's 3 ways to shake the possibilities of privilege responsibly. There's 3 ways to shake the pot safely. 1, know your privileges. 2, use your privileges to help yourself. And then 3, use your privileges to help others.
Those are 3 ways that we can use our privilege, and that's the foundation of this podcast. What are all the areas in our lives that we have privilege that we might not be thinking of, and how can we use it for ourselves and for others? So what can you expect? Who's going to be on it? What kind of topics are we diving into? Here are a few examples. We have Dr. John Francis, the Planet Walker. He's a person who chose to not speak for 17 years or drive any motorized vehicle for 22 years. He sat, he walked, and he listened. And with him, we talk about the privilege of choice. We have Brian Rush. He's a person who's worked in fashion and in creating peace and creating change. He's worked with folks from Mariah Carey to the Dalai Lama. He's a fascinating human, and we dig into the privilege of beauty. We have Dr. Bowtie Jenkins. He's a global inclusion executive who's worked with almost every company you can think of. From the Clorox Company to Rotary International, he is a voice that promotes inclusion in all spaces. With him, we talk about the privilege of social agility. So mark your calendars, August 9th. It's a Privilege podcast with a guest list that's way too long to mention here. Stay tuned to all of the social media. Go to privilegepod.com or privilegepod on all the social medias and check out the videos, the promos, everything coming down the line. But most importantly, go to your favorite podcasting channel, your favorite podcasting website, or on YouTube and subscribe to the podcast. We're going to have over 25 guests and co-hosts. Some of the folks you might know, some of the folks you might not. You might be a Rotarian, or you might just be a curious friend. Either way, I cannot wait to share this with you. August 9th, 2024, first episode drops. We will see you there.